What's up guys, your boy BG here. So I'm here at the Target and nothing over here, but let's see what we have over here, guys. Check this out. Finally here, Hot Wheels Slide Street. Very cool. Got the 2020 Toyota GR Supra. Nice, definitely gonna pick that one up. We have the Nissan Silvia S14. Very cool, definitely gonna take that one. Here's another one. Here's a 2020 Ford Mustang RTR Spec 5. Definitely gonna take this one. And here we have the 2020 Toyota GR Supra. Don't mind taking another one. And here we have the Phantom Subaru BRZ. Very cool. Here we have the Toyota AE86 Sprinter Terreno. These are very hard to find. 2020 Ford Mustang RTR Spec 5. And another Phantom Subaru BRZ. Cool. So here we have some peg warmers. I already have these. I'm still missing that Nissan Skyline. And here's some peg warmers. Looks like nobody wants them. Alright, Masters of the Universe. Here's a Mandalorian Speeder. Very cool. Flying Customs. Mario Kart. Very cool. Sorry guys, I'm still very stoked that I found these. Because I like to keep one open, you know, for my display cases and one closed. Don't worry, I'm not gonna sell them or anything like that. So here we have some Hot Wheels monster trucks glow in the dark. Never seen this one before. This is a new model, the twin wheel. It's actually pretty cool. And again guys, supposedly this one's hard to find, but you know, I keep finding it. So here we have some monster trucks, Monster Jam, more monster trucks over here. And some 2-pack monster trucks, Monster Jam. Alright guys, so here we have two versions of the Monster Jams. So this is the Gravedigger and this is the Sun Uba Digger. I really love the tamper work on these. This really cool Fast and Furious. This is the Mitsubishi Eclipse. This one's really cool, man. The box is a little damaged, so I think I'm gonna leave it here. This one is really awesome, man. The Toyota Supra. I'm gonna take that one. I'm gonna pass on these hyper sport cars, although they are really, really cool, I must admit. Let's see. Here's the 2020 Jeep Gladiator. Lamborghini. Ooh, this one's pretty cool. This one's a maybe. There's another Lamborghini. That's the Veneno. Really cool. Let's check this out. Let's see. Check this out, guys. Really, really cool. I think I'm gonna take these two right here. I would have taken this one, but you know, as you can see, the box is a little damaged, so I'm gonna leave it here. Hopefully it finds a home. Let's see. Ooh, nice. Let's check this one out, guys. Really cool. Been looking for this one for a while. So I'm gonna take this one as well. And there's the Lycan Hyper Sport over there. 1941 Ford pickup. We've seen that one quite a bit. Let's see what they have over here. Nothing new on the NASCAR Diecast. These are new. Check out these new micro machines. These are actually pretty cool. They have these. And they have this one here. Very cool. And another one. So, a bunch of peg warmers here. And looks like they got some of these cool Johnny Lightning. Check this out, guys. 1965 Pontiac Gto. Nice. This one, I'm not too sure if I've seen it before, but it's really cool. 1982 Chevy Camaro. Really cool. Now this one's a winner, man. This one is awesome. 1999 Acura Integra. Definitely gonna take one of these. Here's another GTO Speed Racer. I already have this one. Do not need another one. Here's another GTO. Here's another 1999 Acura Integra. Very cool. Check this out, guys. 1955 Chevy Nomad. Not bad. There's another Speed Racer back there. And here's an Aston Martin from the 007 series. No Time to Die. This is from the new movie, actually. Alright guys, that is pretty much it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. You guys take care. God bless. Happy hunting. Deuces.